Okay, so we have to unplug all the wires so that we're able to lift the TV off the wall to get to the back panel. Okay, so we have to take all the screws out of the back panel to open all of the back panel. Okay, then we need to take the supports for the wall mount, unscrew those out, and don't forget the two center screws, or else the bottom part of the TV will not be yanked out. So the two center screws, you don't really see them and they're very profound. So we were forgetting to do the two screws in the center, and there's an arrow here telling you that there are screws, but you don't really see them. And also we did the screw here behind the back panel to not forget. Okay, so now we're able to get the whole top out, finally. Oh. Now we're going to go and clean the dusty part. So now we're going to unscrew the Wi-Fi module that's right here. Okay, and now we're going to unscrew the module from the case here. So we're going to pry it out. Okay, so we pried the module out of the case right here. Okay, now we took the socket out, the pin out of the socket, and now we're going to clean it properly for the dust. On both ends, we're going to get rid of the dust. Using a air blower here, clean the inside, the pins, the module. Okay, so we're just taking the dust off the module with a paintbrush, making sure all the dust is off. There we go. Now we're going to replug the pins to the Wi-Fi module and put it back in the case. And then screw the case back onto the back panel of the TV. So screw back the case with the module inside after the cleaning. Okay. Putting back the back panel to the TV, and we're going to screw back everything, including the TV support. Hoping we can find all the right screws that go in the right place. Okay, so we're done putting everything in, and hopefully we won't be getting any more messages saying that the Wi-Fi is not connected. So let's give it a try. So try to sign in to Netflix now. See if it's going to work. Ooh, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Things seem to be working well, so because we had to unplug the TV every time we wanted to sign into the Smart TV app, and unplugging the TV every day means we had to take the TV off the wall, and we weren't weren't guaranteed that it was gonna work either. So far so good. Things are working fine. Yay, Netflix. Yay, smart TV.